Hi, so this video is a lymphatic video. So you do this at least 1 to twice a week. If you need a little bit more, then do these movements a little bit more. So first thing, we want to do as much as the hand surface onto your skin as possible. And we're always working toward our heart. So all the flow should be toward your heart, but then also the circular motion can be clockwise, counterclockwise, is whatever feels good for you. So first we're going to start underneath our armpit, and we're just going to make circles around it. And we want to do between 8 to 10 circles. And this is just to get the lymph moving. And it's not a hard squeeze or anything, it's just a light movement around as much surface area as possible that you can get around the armpit area. We have lymph all over our armpit area, even our breast area. If anything's tender, do not push it. Just gently guide your hand around in circles. So 8 to 10 circles. We're going to do our neck as well. You can do it as slow or as fast as you want. Then we're going to do our jawline, going toward our ears. You can also do a dry brush if you like, but not so much around the face. Dry brushes can be kind of harsh. And then around our ears. Lots of lymph, and this is where our vagus nerve starts, is in our ear area, and it wanders through every single major organ we have. So once we get the vagus nerve stimulated, then you'll see your body start to go into a parasympathetic state where you're actually yawning or your stomach is starting to gurgle. And then I like to pull on the ears. A little side note, if you have any headaches or neck issues, like you wake up in the morning and you can't turn your head, I suggest you take a moment, take some deep breaths, and move every inch of that ear around, squeezing, pinching, pulling. That will actually give you more movement of your neck. You can test it out for yourself and see how far your neck moves. So then we're going to take our whole hand and go down to our neck. I'm going to do this about 5 times. Again, getting that surface area as much as possible. And a light touch, just skimming over the skin. And then we want to do again toward the ears. To the bottom of the neck toward the ears. You can even do like this if you want. And then doing a little heart shape around and down. And then drink lots of water, because your lymph does not work very well if you don't drink enough water. So if you're in America, we weigh ourselves in pounds. So however much you weigh in pounds, take the pounds, change it to ounces, and that's how much water you need to drink a day. I know it's a lot. Some things you can check to make sure you're drinking enough water, not too much water, is that your urine will be clear, and that at least you're going to the bathroom at least every 2 hours, and that it's a clear urine color. If it's straw yellow or dark yellow, then you're definitely dehydrated. Also, check out your tongue. Stick it out. If it's got a white paste to it, then you're dehydrated. And I like to tongue scrape, especially in the morning, to get all that guck out. It only costs a few dollars to get a stainless steel tongue scraper, but you just simply scrape a few times in the morning, and it really, you'd be surprised how much junk comes out of there. This is really good tips to do to get your lymph moving, drinking your body weight from pounds to ounces. If you can do half your body weight, perfect. Start somewhere, but try to get those liquids in. And I recently learned if you drink about no more than 4 ounces at a time, your body won't have that urgency to go urinate quickly during the night. So you can extend that a little bit if you just take smaller sips. Let's say after 6 o'clock, take smaller sips of water and not drinking more than 4 ounces in a period of time. That way it gives your body enough time to digest the water, and that your body gets used to that water, so that way you're not waking up in the middle of the night going to the bathroom. Also, first thing in the morning, have a large 16-ounce glass of water that is sitting by your bed, so you can drink it first thing in the morning. If you can add a little bit of salt, just a couple grains, or lemon, fresh lemon juice in the morning, even better to get your body in an alkaline state. So that's a little combo with the lymph nodes, and also some other things to benefit with doing a lymphatic massage. Our fingertips actually can pull the iron of the blood to the surface area, and that's why skin contact is so important, especially with infants. So that's my little tip for today, and we'll see you later. Bye.